Hey there, future YouTubers! Welcome back to Profits Plan. And today we're diving into the ultimate secrets you need to know before hitting that upload button on your very first YouTube video. Trust me, these tips will save you time and set your channel up for success. Let's get started. First things first, let's talk about video settings. Adjusting your audience setting is crucial. Make sure to set your content as not made for kids, unless it's intentionally tailored for children. This determines how your video is shared and monetized. Next up, if your video includes any branded content, go ahead and toggle the paid promotion button. This is key for transparency with your audience and keeps you in line with YouTube's policies. One of my favorite features is the automatic chapters. These help viewers navigate through your content easily and keep them engaged. Don't forget to activate the automatic places feature if your video mentions specific locations. This provides additional context and can help with discoverability. Now let's talk about tags. Tags are essential for improving your video's reach. I recommend using tools like rapid tags to generate relevant tags quickly. It's a huge time saver. Incorporating language and captions enhances accessibility and broadens your audience. It's a simple step that can make a huge difference. Remember, selecting the YouTube standard license is important unless you have specific reasons to explore other options. Lastly, enable Shorts remixing to allow others to use your content in their shorts. This can increase your reach and engagement since users love interacting with shorts. And there you have it. By following these simple yet effective steps, you'll ensure your content is prepared for a wide audience and ready for success. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more YouTube guidance. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.